So it stopped raining a bit this morning. Already did the rabbits. They're planning on breeding again soon whenever the last of the hot weather is done. I am all sorts of stuffy this morning. The purple, or no, these are the dragon tongue beans. It's been raining for days. I'm not complaining though. The plants needed it. The cucumbers are really enjoying their new spot. I gotta bring some soil back here and top these off. And I want to order bigger grow bags. These are only 2 gallons. You guys see the bee? I should come back here and like knock off all the lower blooms like all the videos say to do. It'll help the plants in the long run. Yeah, I should do it right now, but that bee is enjoying himself. Herself, my bad. See, the roots already coming up. I need to top these off with some soil. I believe these are going to be some small pickling cucumbers. I'm going to start some more seeds. And actually keep track of what they are this time. Alright, that should be okay for now. What you looking at, Rusty? I think we're gonna go donate plasma today. The pumpkins are looking like I need to get a bigger something for them. I think if I get the bonus or whatever today, I'm just gonna do this. So that I can gather some water and these don't drown. So I found out that is apparently a sweet potato. I don't remember planting sweet potatoes, but there was multiples of those in there, so I had to have. I don't know. That or the app is wrong. Again, why I should probably mark what I plant. The purple hyacinth beans. I can't wait for those. Those are going to be really pretty. Rusty! No, sir! Come here. Come on. Let's go. Him, sir. Come. Rusty! You little... Straighten the doggy door. He's like, no, Mom, it's wet. Okay. These are the giant pumpkins. Those are supposed to be big pumpkins too, but those are supposed to be the fairground pumpkins. The tomatoes, I'm not sure if they're getting too much sun. I mean, not in the last couple of days, they haven't been, but... Oh, sunflowers. getting all wet from that low-hanging pine branch. That's an interesting looking bug right there. Oh. The sunflowers are getting their heads. The okras are gonna bloom soon. I'm surprised it's taking them so long to bloom already, but I haven't been getting too much water with this overhead sprinkler thing. The beans are doing really good. Even trying to take over here, which I mean, I don't mind. I just don't want to accidentally have them stepped on by somebody. Look at that guy. There's about to be a lot of blooms for the okra. Little anole right there. Cabbages are coming back. Fun fact, you can grow cabbages like this and not have to wait for them to head and just keep on gathering the leaves and using them as you need them. And they'll just keep going. I'm not sure how long you've been watching my channel, but I had one before I left that abusive situation. And even though it was covered in the little white mites, I put it back there with the chickens. They ate everything down to like literal stems. And I just sat it back upright and it came right back. So, and that was during the summer. So there's a couple different kinds of cabbages. There's ones that will do well during the summer with the heat, and then there's like the ones that take off with the cold. You just gotta pay attention to the varieties you get. These guys are struggling, but I'm not sure if it was because of the lack of water, because I mean, some of them are doing good. That little bumblebee. Or if it's because these guys are just chowing down. Cucumbers all over the place. Still have to come back here with the sickle and take care of those weeds. It's just been so rainy. Ruining my plans. I need to stop saying that. We need the rain. Yeah, rain. I've only found 2 edible cucumbers out of this entire mess. Because most of them, putting my water down, kind of just turn into this and get all shriveled. These guys might have something to do with that, though. I saw another one down there. A little shriveled dude right there. That's why you want to trellis cucumbers or put them on a fence. And the peppers. Still full of peppers. I have a bunch of peppers I need to cut today and turn into cowboy candy. Jar those and sell those at the next market thing we go to. The watermelons are kind of coming back. They're all over the place right here. Got some right there. Right there. I don't know what this black ball thing is. There's watermelons here. But I don't see any fruit yet. I think we got 4 or 5 since I got here. Ooh, mushrooms. I'm not sure if these are edible or not. Probably not. Pollinators love all this mess. I don't know what that is. I gotta identify it one of these days before I chop it down. This is the compost bin, also overgrown. I'm gonna go do my makeup, brush my teeth, and then get ready to go donate. And then I'm gonna get coffee afterwards. That's my treat to myself. Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, talk to you guys probably when we get back.